Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty, but already 2:15 when I sign out. Yeah, it's me and Divina who works in the break pass. Yeah, it was very busy, not because of the buffet break pass guests, but because of the function after the break pass. So while doing the break pass preparation, we are also doing the preparation for the function, the afternoon. Because usually Divina is in charge of the like high tea, morning tea, afternoon tea. Good afternoon.
We need your bike. Can we borrow your bike?
Oh, there's a group of people here. They are having some kind of activities. Yeah, even along the way from the other side, they have kinds of activities going on. Oh, because I have never been here for over 6 months. Yeah, we are going to walk. I am usually walking here when I am going to work or when I am coming from work. Yeah, it is beautiful here. And this is my 3rd day riding the bike after over 6 months of going to work, driving the car. There are some people there, they are fishing, relaxing at the same time. And they are renovating this house. They are making it more beautiful. We cannot walk all the way through that side. Yeah, because there is like a staircase. And it will be heavy for me to lift the bike. And so we're going this way now. I am already very hungry, but we are not going home yet. We are going to the town center first to see everything, to see the town, to see the people. Last night I was also riding the bike and it was good also. I was singing along with the music. I don't know if the regular ladies are here. Yeah, maybe because this car, I am familiar with this car. Good afternoon. Those regular lady here, yeah, they don't see me for a long time. Close your eyes, give me your hand, darling. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming? Is this the regular ladies? They are there, and I said, good afternoon. And they are surprised to see me. Yeah, they said a long time, and all of them cooperate. I mean, all of them say something why they don't see me for a long time. Yeah, and so I stopped for a little bit and I explained that I am driving the car already. Yeah. Yeah, I said, because I am driving a car already. And today I feel like biking again. I said like that. Good afternoon. Good. Good afternoon. And as usual, there are many people here. They are walking. Also, there are so many flies. Yeah, many insects, small insects. Someone get into my eye and I remove it. Oh, look at this. There's a very small dog. I'm not familiar with the name of the dogs, but they are very small. Dwarfs, maybe. Hello, doggy. How are you? Yeah, there is one insect inside my eye. Ocean deep. Oh, look at that guy. He's pulling the 2 garbage bins. I'm so afraid to show my feeling. I have sailed a million sailing solitarily, ocean deep. Will I ever find another? Maybe she has found another. And as I cry myself to sleep. Yeah, that's the Jimny Sierra, I think. I know this love of mine I'll keep, ocean deep. I know you are mine. life. You are a friend of mine. Today is a little bit colder compared to the temperature yesterday. Also more clouds today, so not so much swimmer. Starry, starry night. All this I am a little bit tempted to buy a cup of coffee from the town center. Yeah, I forgot to make coffee from the workplace. Or maybe still with a little bit more. Yeah, with a little bit more, but very cold already. It's okay. This one is from 5:30. And then during my break time around 11 o'clock, I have this. I was walking around the workplace, having this coffee, sipping while walking for 30 minutes during my break, and I have some leftover. Very cold already. The afternoon. Oh, very nice. They clean up in here. Will I ever find another? Maybe she has found another. And as I cry myself to sleep, I know this love of mine I'll keep ocean deep. Yeah, this is one of the best thing if you are on an electric bike. You are biking relaxed and easy, and at the same time you see the details of everything of the nature. You can stop, no worries. If you are on a car, you cannot do something like this. But yeah, you can walk, of course. And walking is much better. Yeah, everything is not perfectly good and not perfectly bad. Everything has good on it and bad on it. That's the reason why we need to accept everything, whatever it is, however it is. Yeah, acceptance will give us happiness and satisfaction. We are going first to the Marina. Oh, this outlet already closed. Forever young, I wanna live forever young. Did you wanna say forever, 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 forever young? I wanna live forever young. We can go on, pretending day by day, and the world. Oh, the water looks a little bit green. Oh, look at that. Many fish. Yeah, because the water is very calm, you can clearly see underwater, and there are many fish. Amazing. And I don't know why there is no fisherman this time. So I've seen a total of 5 chimney today. The one in the workplace, which is my colleague, and then 2 along the way, plus that one. 4. Yeah, 4. 5 including my I'm on a bike. Okay, that's it. I already took some pictures that I am going to post on Facebook, and now we are going to the grocery. Oh, look at this bike carrier. I should have that kind of bike carrier, but yeah, it needs a tow bar. I don't have tow bar. It will cost over $1,000. Expensive. Oh, that is actually the car with the electric bike at the back. And I noticed that the bike is actually wobbling like this. And I think it is normal for the bike to wobble. Yeah, because you don't have control with the law of movement. We are now here in the grocery. This is the only thing that I am going to buy. It's $13. This is the only thing that I bought because my backpack is full already. home. There's already 3:40. Yeah, and I'm going to cook it right away. Oh, actually this is the only rice I have. And I'm going to cook this beef. Yeah, with the same with bulgogi sauce again. Oh, I'm also going to add some of this mix carrots, corn, and green peas. It is good to have something like this kind of frozen vegetable. Yeah, because this one is very, like versatile. This is actually ready, but I want it to be very well done. Yeah, just now it is good, tender. Later on it is going to be very hard. The Filipino overcook. And this is my meal. It is now 4:10.